What's up, everybody? Let's do this real quick. I'm about to show you how to get more views on your YouTube channel by creating your shorts in bulk. That's right, multiple shorts at one time using two apps, ChatGPT and Canva. Let's get right to it. So this is the prompt you're going to use to make the magic, okay? Homegirl, this is what you need to say to ChatGPT. Let's write short original quotes for women over 40 seeking financial balance, harmony, and increase about empowerment. And it's never too late to get wealthy. The tone should be emotionally powerful, homegirl tone. Make it honest and soulful and not cliche. Write the quotes in table form with two columns. In one column, write the topic of the quote. The second column, write the quote. It's very important you use that last line. I know you're not going to specifically use the top of this prompt, but I'm saying what I want to add about my channel, about the videos I'm using on my channel. I know you want to tailor that, but you definitely don't want to not use this last line here. So let's go ahead and hit enter, so that this table can come out formatted correctly so that you get the results you want when you get to Canva. Now you see Chat has already come up with our topics and quotes, and let's go ahead and just copy and paste. That's right, we get the topic and the quote on both sides. Let's try it again because we don't necessarily need the words topic and quote. All right, everybody, let's go ahead, copy. Control C is what I use. Now we're done with chat, so let's just hop over here to Canva homepage, and you see I am using the pro account, so I hope you can roll with me. If not, I think you can still do this without the pro account, but I've been using pro so long I don't even know what the non-pro offer. So just if you can do it on there using this, I think it'll be a benefit for you to go ahead and get the pro account if you can't. Alright, so let's see. We're going to create a video, mobile video this time. I know you're used to me creating a long form, but these for shorts, okay? And that's why you can increase your flow so much on YouTube, and they love these shorts. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, first thing we're going to do is select a background. We're going to start with the elements in Canva. We want a video. And for this video, I'm going to say spotlight in the generator here and click on video. All right. Looks like feet or something. Let's go with this candle here. This is beautiful. And when I think about wealth, I tend to think about self-care and candles, aromatherapeutic things. That's what comes to my mind when I think about being rich and powerful within myself and within my soul. So now we have a video here for the background. All right, there. I'm just going to stick with that for the sake of time of the video. Now we're going to need some text. So the first thing I want you to do is grab a heading box from your text over here on this side. And in the heading box, I want you to type the word topic. Topic, okay? Alright, now we're just going to duplicate this box because we need two boxes here, two text boxes. And for this one, I want you to type the word, let's see, quotes. Alright, and let's just take this one down a tranche so that it fits nicely beneath the first text box. All right, great work, guys. I hope you're following along with me. How cool would that be? Okay, so now we have our topic. We're going to go over to apps on the sidebar and type in the search bar bulk, enter, and you'll see the option to bulk create. That's right, click bulk create. We're going to go down and say let's enter our data manually, and we're going to clear this table. Click into the first white available space bar. Control V. Paste in your prompt text that you got from ChatGPT. Oh my goodness. And I know I did notice that. I paid attention I missed that capital I, and see that did not work. I wish I can just go back and not have done that. So I'm just going to try to type it in. All right, now we're going to say done down here on the purple bar. Now we have everything we need. So let's click on the first text bar that we entered that say topic, and you already know what we're going to do. We need this little ellipsis over here, the three dots on the side. We want to touch that and say connect data. They're going to say which data you want, number 1 or 2. We're going to say, baby, give me number 1 for the topic. Thank you. Next, we're going to go to the quote text box, and we're going to click the ellipsis and say connect data. Which data do you want to connect? We want to connect number 2 for the second text box, and there we have it. Now we're going to come back over here to your left, click continue for your bulk creation to begin, and there you have it. You have generated 12 videos. And how do you get to those? Let's say generate 12 designs. Something else I forgot to do was to I wish I could have shorten the length here. I think I need to take it down to about 10 seconds. But even if I don't, you take yours down to about 10 seconds and use that to paste your quotes. Now let's go in and look at these quotes. Look at these videos that we generated. Alright. View and folder. It's going to take you out to the folders. You can click on one. I just did it twice, so here we go. Now you have all 12 of these in a row. Oh, it would be my joy and pleasure to add a soundtrack here, but for the sake of time on this video, I'm going to just show you how to download these as 12 separate videos. So you can start uploading right away, girl, and start getting your views up. You know, the Shorts is running the show right now, and you can get thousands of views a day just by posting, you know, a couple of these a day, or maybe even several. It'll be totally up to you. So now I want you to see that there are 12 videos here actually. So let's go to grid view, and there are all of the videos you just created. Late bloomers, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Reclaiming power, money, and femininity. And these are definitely going on my page. I'm going to take some time to do a little editing on them, but they will definitely be seen. So y'all stick around for those. Now, I probably add a little music to mine, but you can do yours how you like. So let me show you how to go ahead and download these as separate files. You're going to say share up here in the right corner and download. Now you see the option to download these pages 1 through 12, and right below there you have the option to download pages as separate files. There you have it. And you'll let them download as separate files. So you just did it, homegirl. You just created 12 videos in 12 minutes. Is that not golden? Thank you. Thank you. I knew you would agree and find some value in this, so I couldn't wait to share it with you. But right now, I'm off, so I will see you in the next video where I'm going to show you how to do something else so amazing, so easy to make money with. Because you know how many content creators are out there. You can easily bundle this kind of skill. You can easily package this in some kind of bundle deal for content creators all over the world to download your ideas and customized videos. This is a great asset to learn. So I will see you in the next video where I'll be showing you something else amazing.